Let's see how this brand new house in London South looks from inside. Okay, so let's see this $1 million home in London, Ontario. So upon entering, you have a great foyer here. Open to above ceiling, closet, stairs, and upon going further down, you have powder room here, closet and entrance to the garage. You get quartz in the washroom. This will be your closet. Garage is double car garage. It's a brand new home in London South. And let's move to the main floor area. This entrance is leading to the basement. The basement is unfinished, but it has a separate entrance. So this will be your living area. Decorative wall here, fireplace, big windows, living area and kitchen. Great island. Stainless steel appliances, quartz in the kitchen, and hardwood on the main floor. In the backyard, you have a covered porch here. As it's a brand new home, so the fence is not done from all sides, but you can check out the backyard. It's a good size. In the kitchen, you have a walk-in pantry. So I would not say this is a big kitchen, but it's a decent size. Approximately the home features about 23 to 2500 square feet. This will be your walk-in pantry. These are your appliances. Now let's move upstairs. Upstairs you have 4 bedrooms, 3 full washrooms. So this is how the foyer looks when we come on the second floor. Let's start from the right hand side. This will be your laundry. You got the connections for the new appliances. And just right here is your first bedroom. So 2 of the rooms have Jack and Jill, this one and this one. So this is the Jack and Jill washroom, common washroom for both of the rooms. You got a standing shower here. So 3-piece. Upstairs you have carpet in the rooms, hardwood in the hallway. So it's very broad hallway. Now this is your third bedroom. And this will be your closet here, linen, and the common washroom. Four-piece common. Now This will be your primary. The primary has a walk-in with built-in shelves. Primary bedroom is decent size. And here is our primary ensuite. It's a 5-piece double sink, standing shower, toilet seat, and a tub. So this door is a sliding door to save more space. So this is how it looks. So this was about it. $1 million home in London South. If you have any more questions, leave me a comment below. Let me know, how do you like this house? Would you like to live here for $1 million? And if you're looking for any kind of buying, selling, or investment, you can reach out to me. My number is in the description, and I will see you in the next one.